How's your sleeps? Was it good? Good. I'm glad you got a lot of sleep. Oh, my little sleepyhead. How's your stomach? Is your stomach doing okay? That's good. I'm glad. In your head, do you still have a headache? No? Okay, that's good. I'm glad you're feeling better, sweetie. No, sweetie. Is there anything I can get you? Anything whatsoever? Yeah? Can I get you water? Breakfast? A brand new handbag? Anything, sweetie? Anything for my princess? Maybe like a brand new car or a jet? Yeah? Nothing? No, you just want to cuddle. Okay. We can lie here and cuddle. You know, sometimes I still can't believe it. That's gonna be us three. Me, you, and the baby. I don't know, to me it's wild. I never thought I would get here. I never thought I would be a father, and to me this is just a dream come true. It really is. And I'm gonna be honest with you, I am a little bit scared. But I know it's gonna be okay. 'Cause we have each other. I know. Everything's gonna be okay. But I know that our baby's gonna be good. It's gonna be such a beautiful thing. It is. Our baby's gonna be so beautiful. Just like you. Mm. Let me feel your belly. Skin is so smooth. I think I can feel the baby moving. I think I can. I think that was a kick. Wow. I still can't believe that. We're gonna be parents soon. I know. We're gonna have a family. Sweetie, don't worry, okay? You don't have to worry. You're gonna be a really, really good mother, okay? Don't worry. Everything's gonna be okay. I know. I know you're gonna be a good mother. Of course, because you have such a caring heart. You're so nurturing in so many ways. You're gonna be the perfect mother. You are. Not only that, you're gonna be a hot MILF, so that's kind of cool, right? So don't worry, sweetheart. You're just gonna be perfect and great, because that's just who you are. I mean, I think I'll be a good father. I mean, obviously, I'm gonna do my best, but I think I can handle it. I'm not afraid of changing diapers and getting my hands dirty. You know, I think I have a lot of love to give for you and your baby. Of course. I mean, I would do anything for our family, sweetheart. I really would. I love you. You know, I've been dreaming about this for a long time. I have. And when I first saw you, I knew you were the one. There was something about you that I wanted to spend the rest of my life with you. I know it's corny, but I just knew that I wanted to have a family with you. Especially on our first date. When I saw how caring you are and loving you are. Everything about you is perfect and it still is perfect. No, the baby's kicking kinda hard right now. Are you okay? Yeah, that was a shocker. I felt it. Sweetie, let me grab you that hot water bottle heat pad thing for your stomach. Yeah, it's gonna make you feel better, okay? Give me 1 second. Here you go, sweetie. I got you your water bottle. Here. Let me put on your belly for you. There you go. Doesn't that feel better? Glad it feels better, sweetie. Of course. I would do anything for you and the baby. Absolutely anything. Here. Come close, let's cuddle tight. There you go. You know, you got the most beautiful eyes in the world. You really do. Your eyes. Your eyes are something special. They are. I mean, I'm not saying this just to impress you, but they are. It's like, and they sparkle when you like talk about something you love, you know. It's a little bit distracting sometimes, but I don't mind it too much. I mean, who wouldn't get lost in those eyes? mm. I mean, sometimes when the light just hits your eyes just right, they glow. Like you have this unique beauty that I can't help but notice, you know? But on the real though, you should really be careful. With eyes like those, you might steal someone's heart without even trying. You stole my heart. You know, you got the most beautiful lips in the world. They are. Your lips are beautiful. There's something about them that just draws me in. When you smile, it lights up the whole room. And everything just fades away. I can't help but feel so lucky to be with you. And when you speak, I can listen to you for hours. Your beautiful voice combined with the way your lips move just mesmerizes me. Makes everything you say feels so special. And I want you to know how much I appreciate you as a whole. I do. And your lips are not just beautiful. They hold this warmth and kindness. And it's so comforting to be close to you. I mean, sweetie, you're amazing inside and out. And your lips are part of that whole. And your hair is just, it's just so beautiful. And I love brushing my hair behind your ear. And it looks so soft and smooth. And I like the way how the light shines on it. It just glows. And I get lost in it sometimes. Your hair just fits your face so perfectly, it frames it so perfectly. But I really, really like brushing my fingers through your hair. It feels nice. And sometimes, when you let your hair down, I'm like, wow. It's like there's a whole brand new side of you that comes out. And you make beauty look so effortless. You really do. And your face is so beautiful. I don't know how many times I get lost every time I look at you. Your face is so soft and perfect. Every single little detail about your face, from your eyes, nose, and lips,